68 million years ago, in the waning days of the dinosaurs, Western North America was a land of dense forests and giant reptiles. Among Triceratops herds and lurking Tyrannosaurus, a unique creature roamed, Pachycephalosaurus, the thick-headed lizard. This bipedal herbivore, about the size of a car, stood as tall as a person, solid, robust, and instantly recognizable. Its claim to fame, a skull dome up to 10 inches thick, a natural battering ram that's fascinated scientists for generations. First discovered in Montana's Badlands, Pachycephalosaurus was among the last non-avian dinosaurs before the asteroid struck. Its biology is a testament to evolution's creativity, offering a glimpse into a world of strange survival strategies. To understand this, dinosaurs to unlock a story of adaptation and resilience at the end of an era. Let's journey back and explore the life of this bone-headed marvel. What was the purpose of that incredible skull? Let's find out. The Pachycephalosaurus skull is a marvel of natural engineering, a massive, solid dome of bone. This dome, dense and up to 10 inches thick, was built for strength, not delicacy. Surrounding the dome were bony knobs and spikes, likely used for display or species recognition. CT scans reveal a small brain tucked safely beneath the thickest bone and a unique internal structure designed to absorb shock, much like a crash helmet. The columnar bone arrangement and protected brain placement all point to one thing: impact. This skull wasn't just armor, it was a tool central to the dinosaur's survival. The energy invested in growing such a structure tells us it was vital to its way of life. The question remains, what or who was it built to hit? The answer lies in the fossil record and in the scars left behind. Let's examine the evidence. The classic image, two Pachycephalosaurus, heads down, charging in a dramatic clash. Many believe these domes were for headbutting, like bighorn sheep, to win mates or establish dominance. Fossil skulls show healed injuries, battle scars that support this theory. Strong neck muscles and a reinforced spine suggest the body was built for impact. But not everyone agrees. Some argue the rounded dome made head-on collisions risky, proposing instead that they use their heads to strike rivals' flanks. Others think the dome was mostly for display, signaling strength without actual combat. It may have even served as a last-ditch defense against predators. The truth? Likely a mix, weapon, display, and shield, all in one. Pachycephalosaurus was a dinosaur built for both show and survival. Its skull was its signature and its secret weapon. Beyond the skull, Pachycephalosaurus was a model of balance and agility. It walked on powerful hind legs, with a long, stiffened tail acting as a counterweight for its heavy head. This design let it move quickly and confidently through dense forests. Its torso was broad, housing a large gut for digesting tough plants, while small forelimbs may have helped with feeding. The spine featured locking joints, allowing the dinosaur to brace itself for impact, turning its whole body into a battering ram. Every part of its anatomy supported its unique lifestyle. Pachycephalosaurus was more than just a head. It was a well-tuned machine for survival. Its body tells the story of a creature built for both power and precision. In a world of giants, it carved out its own niche. As a plant eater in a land of predators, Pachycephalosaurus had to be smart and swift. Its beak and leaf-shaped teeth were perfect for snipping soft plants, fruits, and new growth. It likely browsed selectively, using its agility to move through undergrowth and avoid danger. Living in small groups may have offered safety in numbers, with many eyes watching for threats like Tyrannosaurus rex. If cornered, that thick skull became a weapon, delivering powerful blows to deter attackers. The bony crown of spikes added extra damage, making even predators think twice. Survival meant constant vigilance, finding food, dodging danger, and competing with other herbivores. Pachycephalosaurus thrived in a complex, ever-changing landscape. Its adaptations were the key to its success. In the Cretaceous, every day was a test of survival. For years, paleontologists puzzled over similar dinosaurs, Dracorex, Stygimoloch, and Pachycephalosaurus. Recent research suggests they're not separate species, but different growth stages of Pachycephalosaurus. Juveniles started with flat heads and dramatic spikes. As they aged, the dome grew and spikes shrank. Bone studies support this, showing juvenile fossils with spongy, fast-growing tissue and adults with dense bone. No adult Dracorex or juvenile Pachycephalosaurus fossils have been found, fitting a single growth pattern. This discovery reshapes our understanding of dinosaur diversity and development. The dramatic transformation hints at changing needs: spikes for young defense, domes for adult combat or display. Pachycephalosaurus's life story is written in its bones, ever-changing, ever-surprising. Despite decades of study, Pachycephalosaurus remains a mystery. The true function of its dome, combat, display, or both, is still debated. Its social life is unclear. Did it live in herds or alone? Evidence is scarce. Even its diet is partly a puzzle, with teeth suggesting soft plants, but little direct proof. Did it have cheeks? What did it sound like? The answers are lost to time. Each new fossil brings more questions, fueling scientific curiosity. Pachycephalosaurus challenges us to keep searching, keep questioning. Its story is far from finished. Pachycephalosaurus captures our imagination like few other dinosaurs. Its domed skull is a symbol of prehistoric mystery and evolutionary innovation. For scientists, it's a case study in adaptation and the ever-changing nature of discovery. For the public, it's the iconic head butter, a star of books, movies, and toys. Its story reminds us that science is always evolving and that even the strangest creatures have a place in nature's grand design. Pachycephalosaurus inspires wonder, curiosity, and a sense of connection to a lost world. It stands as a testament to the power of evolution and the thrill of discovery. In the end, it's not just a dinosaur, it's a legend.